Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational channel. Today we are going to discuss the extension part of the circular permutations. Very important questions. Look at here now. Find the number of ways of arranging 7 guests and a host around a circle if two particular guests wish to sit on either side of the host. So look at here now. Total 7 guests are there, and along with that a host. 7 guests and a host. In that 7 guests, 2 members are always sit either side of the host. So that's fine. First we will take a table here, circular table. In that, this part contains a host along with them 2 particular guests are there. They are always sit either side of the host. So consider these 3 persons, host along with the 2 guests as one unit. Now how many remaining persons are there? 2 guests and host is there. Now 5 remaining guests are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All guests, remaining guests. Okay. When we consider this as one unit, remaining each guest act as one unit. So now first we will arrange these units in how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units are there. Na? 6 units can be arranged in 6 minus 1 factorial ways, but because they sit on the circle. When a circular permutation is there, we can get n minus 1 factorial ways. Now around a circle, 2 particular guests, these 2 persons, they may interchange. There is no condition for them. So these 2 persons, they may interchange in 2 factorial ways. Again, first consider 2 guests and a host. Host is in the middle part, 2 guests. Consider this as one unit. So remaining each and every guest act as one unit. Total 6 units are there. 6 units can be arranged around a circle in 6 minus 1 factorial ways. And again these 2 guests themselves they can arrange in 2 factorial ways. By fundamental principle, the number of circular permutations will be 6 minus 1 factorial into 2 factorial. So the answer will be 5 factorial into 2 factorial. It is enough. If you want to calculate, we can calculate. 5 factorial in the sense 120, 2 factorial in the sense 2, then total it will becomes 240. So how many ways they can sit? 240 ways they can sit either side of the host. Right, one more problem. A chain of beads is to be prepared using 6 different red colored beads and 3 different blue colored beads. In how many ways can this be done so that no 2 blue colored beads come together? Total how many beads are there? N is equal to 6 red color and 3 blue color beads are there. Total 9 beads. So whenever chain of beads is there, we can get, instead of n minus 1 factorial, it will be n minus 1 factorial by 2. But because there is no specified direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise directions are coincide in case of chain of beads. So that's why if no condition is there, we can arrange this in 9 minus 1 factorial by 2. But the question is here, in how many ways can this be done so that no 2 blue colored beads come together? So how many blue colored beads are there here? 3 blue colored beads are there. So no 2 in the sense, first leave this blue colored beads. Now take 6 red colored beads around, this is a chain here. We will arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red roses are there, na? Red beads. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 and R6. These red beads can be arranged in how many ways? 6 are there, na? 6 minus 1 factorial by 2 ways. But because chains of beads, chain of beads in the sense here, no, here clockwise and anti-clockwise is coincide. That's why 6 minus 1 factorial by 2. Now to arrange blue colored beads, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places are there. In these places, In these places, we can arrange them in 6 places are there. 3 beads are there. 3 different blue beads are there. So we can arrange in 6p3 ways. By fundamental principle, the number of chains to be prepared is equal to 6 minus 1 factorial by 2 into 6p3. So this is 5 factorial by 2 into 6p3. So there is no need of simplification. Simply we will leave like this here. We can get the answer. In the next class, we will continue our permutations topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.